Asia is a very vast continent. It extends from the equator to the polar region. As a result, Asia has a wide variety of climates such as Asia has some of the coldest lands in the world and polar as well as some of the hottest areas. Central and Southwest Asia, the driest as also the wettest. The varied climate of continent is due to several factors such as size, latitudinal extent, physical features, monsoon winds, etc.
Temperature. It varies from one region to another and from one season to another. In January, the southern countries are less cold, but the northern countries experience bitter cold. In July, a greater part of a continent is hot with the exception of northern Siberia and the high mountains and the plateaus of Central Asia. In some places, the temperature beyond 40 degrees centigrade. Turkmensk in Siberia is the coldest place.
Distribution of rainfall. Most of the rainfall in Asia is caused by the summer southwest monsoon. A warm moist wind does not reach central part of Asia, which is dry throughout. In winter, the western cause rainfall in the western Asian countries. In eastern part of China, the Philippines, Malaysia, etc. receive rainfall from tropical cyclone.
Winter season. The period from October to March is winter in most parts of Asia, as a greater part of Asia lies in the northern hemisphere. The rays of the sun are slanting in the northern hemisphere during this season. So most of Asia experiences very low temperature and become extremely cold. The atmospheric pressure is high in Central Asia and low over the Indian Ocean. Winds therefore blow from the land to the sea. They are dry and do not cause rainfall. Hence, there is little rainfall in winter.
Summer season. The conditions are received during summer. It starts in April and ends in September. The sun shines vertically in the northern hemisphere. Asia has high temperature and low pressure in the Central Asia. Winds therefore blow sea towards the land. Almost Asia part receive heavy rainfall.
In Siberia has 51 degrees Celsius and Omikhna has 71 degrees Celsius temperature in January. Mysingram in Meghalaya, India receives highest rainfall in the world, 1187 centimeters.
Natural vegetation. Natural vegetation of Asia is closely associated with climate, but other factors such as landforms, soils and interference of man winds also having influence of type of vegetation and its distribution. There is a great diversity in vegetation of Asia. It can be divided into 7 major types as follows. The tundra vegetation is found in a narrow belt along the Arctic coastal areas. This belt covered into snow and ice, so plants grow in limited and restricted to mosses and lichen. Coniferous forests are found to the south of the tundra is also known as taiga forest. Spruce, large and pale common trees found here. They are soft trees. Different grassland steppes are found mainly to the west of Central Asia and in a range of deserts, semi-deserts. The low rainfall encourages low growth of grass.
Desert vegetation. Thus, tropical and temperature of Asia, example Arabia, Iran, Thar Desert, etc. Some thorny plants and bushes, poor grasses are grown in here. Oases, dead palm trees are found.
Monsoon forests are found in South, Southeast and East Asia. Since this region has high temperature, sufficient rainfall, forests grow here. teak, sal, banyan, bamboo, and many varieties of hardwoods are found here. They shed their leaves to autumn.
Equatorial forests are mainly found in the East Indians and heavy rainfall areas in the monsoon lands. Mahogany, ebony, rubber, bamboo, and rosewood are the main trees.
Mediterranean vegetation occurs in Southwest Asia. The important trees are olive, figs, and oak. They are short trees. Shrubs also grow here.
Since Asia is the largest continent, it has a varied mineral deposit. The important mineral is
Iron ore.
manganese,
Bauxite. Coal.
petroleum,
Iron ore. Iron ore is the main raw material for the production of iron and steel. Asia is rich in iron ore reserves and has about 30% of world reserves. China is leading producers of iron ore. Pakistan, India, Turkey, Uzbekistan, Philippines, Korea, Japan are the other producers of iron ore, and Korea, Taiwan, Japan are poor in iron ore reserves to the world.
manganese is considered to be the most important of the pure oil metals. It is essential production of good quality of steel. In Asia, manganese is found in abundance Transcaucasia, Central Asia, Siberia, China and India. China is leading producer of manganese in Asia.
Bauxite is the main source of aluminum, which is non-ferrous metal. The large bauxite is found in Kazakhstan and South Central Siberia, and bauxite areas are located in India, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Turkey.
Coal is a fossil mineral of plant origin. It is an important source of energy. Asia is rich in coal reserves, but that is unevenly distributed. The largest receivers of coal are found in China, India, Indonesia, Siberia and South Central Asian countries. China is a largest processor and producer of coal receivers. India is the second largest producer of the Asia. Recently, the Kuznets Basin in South Central Asia has become big producer. The smaller deposits of coal is found in Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Japan, Tajikistan and Pakistan.
Petroleum is a mineral oil and a very important source of power for automobiles, railways and ships. Southwestern Asia also has the petroleum reserves which are located in Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar and United Arab Emirates (UAE). These countries have about half of the world's petroleum deposits and produce nearly 25% of the world's petroleum. Some of the eastern and southeastern countries also have petroleum reserves that are Indonesia, Malaysia, China, Taiwan, Myanmar, Sarawak, etc. Recently, Siberia has increased its production of petroleum.
Muskan, do you know word petroleum? The term petroleum is derived from two Latin words. Petro means rock and oleum means oil. So petroleum means rock and oil. Saudi Arabia is the largest producers petroleum in the world.
Central Asia also possesses considerable deposits of petroleum, that is in Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan, etc.
Major industrial regions. Despite its large size and rich mineral and agriculture resources, the continent of Asia is generally less industrialized. than Europe. The main reasons for this situation are lack of technology, capital, conservative attitudes towards industrialization, and large population which is engaged in agriculture.
An area dominates industries and industrial activities is called industrial region. Industries are concentrated in some areas where there are favorable factors for their location. Major industrial regions of Asia are
Japan. There are four major industrial regions in Japan. The Keihin region is the greatest industrial region of Japan. It includes Kawasaki, Tokyo and Yokohama cities. The important industries are shipbuilding, engineering, textiles, cement and paper. The Hanshin region includes Osaka, Kyoto. It is dominated by textiles. The Ice-Bay region spread around the Nagoya city and it is dominated by textiles and engineering industries. The Kita-Kyushu region includes Yamata, Kokura and Mochi. The important industries are steel, shipbuilding, machinery, chemical and textiles.
China. Since it has the greatest agriculture industries in the world. After the communities came to the power, achievements were made up of industrial China. Its major industrial region is Xinjiang region is denoted by iron and steel plates and engineering. Beijing region has developed metallurgically, shipbuilding, textiles and engineering and chemical industries. Shaanxi Batao region has dominated by iron and steel, farm, machines production industries. Yunnan famous for metallurgically heavy industries. Manchuri region is dominated by iron and steel, chemical and engineering industries.
India. Its major industrial region are Hungary, Kolkata region,
Hooghly, Kolkata.
Hooghly, Kolkata region, Mumbai, Pune region, Ahmedabad, Vadodara region, Madurai, Coimbatore, Bengaluru region, Chota Nagpur region, Delhi, Meerut region, Vishakhapatnam region and Kollam, Thiruvananthapuram region. The other Asian industrial regions are located to South Korea, Hong Kong, Singapore and Malaysia.
Population of Asia growth. Nearly 4.2 billion people live in Asia, constituting 60% of the world's population. So Asia is densely populated in 1950. The population of Asia was 1.4 billion. The rate of growth was high until recently. Now it has been decreasing. Distribution and density. The distribution of population in Asia is very uneven. Look at the population map in Asia. You will find that a greater part of Asia is very sparsely populated, but some areas are very densely populated. The average density of the Asia is 150 persons per kilometer square. It is not uniform all over the continent.
The sparsely populated areas include the northern and the eastern part of Siberia, which are very cold, and the deserts of Arabia, Iran, Thar in India too dry, and the highlands of Central Asia.
The densely populated parts of Asia are great rivers of India, Bangladesh, China, Korea and Java are Indonesia of rivers.
Most of these are fertile level and or river basins. Also, high density of populations is found in